Have you spent any time thinking about how you boot up your day? I'm confident that we all expect our phones, tablets, and computers to boot up in the same way each time we turn them on.
We can all benefit from reflecting and assessing how we are living our lives and spending our days. Jesus viewed his prayer time as a place of essential communication,
a source of vital connection with his Father in heaven to learn and implement his Father's will for the earth.
It was his daily rhythm to rise and commune with God.
When it comes to booting up your day,
one size fits one.
How you boot up will look different from how I do.
But we can all benefit from finding a personal rhythm of grace, routines, rituals, and rhythms to be sure to touch on what is most important on a regular basis, helping us build an operating system for life.
It's only by keeping our disciplines at the core of our boot up process that we are going to be able to systematically keep our lives in order.